Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mint yogurt chutney. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, half a cup of plain yogurt, and 1 or 2 green chilies for a little kick. Don't forget a small piece of ginger, a clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and refreshing condiment. Now let's get blending. Start by thoroughly washing and roughly chopping your fresh mint leaves. Add the mint, yogurt, green chilies, ginger, garlic, and salt to your blender. Blend everything together until you achieve a smooth, vibrant green paste. If the chutney is too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water to reach your preferred consistency. This step is key for a perfect texture. Once blended, it's time to taste and customize your chutney. Take a small spoonful and check the seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt or perhaps another half of a green chili for extra heat. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, can brighten the flavors beautifully. For a touch of sweetness to balance the tang, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar works wonders. Make it your own. Your delicious mint yogurt chutney is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled alongside your favorite Indian dishes, grilled meats, or as a refreshing dip for snacks. To keep it fresh, transfer the chutney to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will maintain its wonderful flavor and vibrant color for up to 5 days. This versatile condiment is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.